can I make a more beautiful sound? How can I make my music more expressive? How can I improve the tone quality in my violin playing? Those are questions that people ask me every day. Proof is, once you start to practice tonalization, you will get answers to many of those questions. So if you recognize yourself in one of those questions, then join me in this new course, Tonalization for Violin Players. Once you get started on this course, you will find out how you can improve your sound, how you can make your playing more expressive, and how you can play with a more pure tone. So let's talk about how we're going to achieve that. In this course, we're going to learn with the Tonalization book by Suzuki. I will put a link to this book in the description below, but you can also click on the card that appears in the top corner of your screen right now. And I'd recommend you get this book when you want to follow this whole course. So I'm really looking forward to getting started. Do join me if you can. And whilst we wait for lesson 1 to start, why not write in the description down below this video why you're following this course and what you're expecting to get out of it. I look forward to seeing you very soon. Goodbye.